Welcome, the website designed for creators like you. Hey, let me share a quick story. A friend of mine runs small online workshops and uses Google Forms to collect registrations. Every day she had to open her spreadsheet and check if someone signed up, again and again. So I showed her how to set up a simple automation using Make.com, and now she gets notified instantly without lifting a finger. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. Let's start with automation itself. Make is a platform that helps you automate business processes, so it's important to understand what a business process is. A business process is a set or list of steps performed to achieve a specific business goal or task. Nowadays, most businesses use online services. It's almost impossible to avoid them, even if you only use Google Sheets. At some point, you'll want to automate Google Sheets because many tasks become routine, and you want to make them faster and easier. The fact is, very few businesses rely on just one online tool. Most use multiple tools, especially bigger companies. Some businesses work entirely with online tools and don't even have physical products besides devices like laptops and PCs. With that said, I want to start by categorizing the services we will work with. You need to understand that you will never learn every feature of every service. That's impossible because there are hundreds of popular services and thousands overall, maybe tens of thousands soon. You might become a pro in a few tools like Slack or Google Calendar, but you won't be an expert in dozens or hundreds of them. So what you really need to learn are the basic patterns, principles, and common ideas shared across these services. Well, before we dive deeper, let's quickly cover some key terms you'll hear a lot in automation. API, Application Programming Interface. This is how different apps talk to each other and share data seamlessly. When Make.com connects with Google Forms or Gmail, it uses APIs. Webhook, a way for an app to send data or alerts to another app instantly without you needing to check manually. Scenario, this is the workflow or set of steps you build in Make.com to automate a task. Understanding these terms will help you navigate automation tools with confidence. Make.com is a tool that connects your favorite apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, Notion, and many more. No coding or complicated setup required. Just drag, drop, and your tasks run automatically. Why is automation important? Here are some benefits. Save time. Automation handles repetitive tasks quickly, so you don't waste hours on routine work. Reduce errors. Computers don't forget or make mistakes like humans might when repeating the same tasks. Boost productivity. Automation frees you up to focus on creative and important work. Improve workflow. Keeps everything organized and consistent by doing the same steps perfectly every time. Automation isn't just about saving time. It makes your work smoother and better. Go to Make.com and log into your account. Click Create a new scenario to start a new workflow. You'll see a blank page. Click the big plus button to add your first module. Search for Google Forms and select Watch Responses. Connect the Google account linked to your form. Choose the Google Sheet file connected to your form, then select the specific sheet, usually named Form Responses 1. Set the limit field to a small number like 1 or 2 for testing. Make sure the Table Contains Headers option is on, so Make.com knows the column names. Click OK, then run once to test. If it works well, toggle the scenario on to run automatically. Your scenario will be saved and ready to use anytime from your dashboard. Before you finish, here are some common pitfalls when setting up automation and how to avoid them. Not testing your automation. Always run tests before fully activating your scenario to catch any errors early. Ignoring updates. Update your automation workflows whenever your business processes or tools change to keep them working smoothly. Overcomplicating workflows. Keep your automation simple and modular. Don't try to do everything in one giant scenario. Missing alerts. Set up notifications so you know if something goes wrong and can fix it quickly. Following these tips will help you create automation that works reliably. And just like that, you've created your first real automation. Imagine all the ways you can use it. Alerts for new signups, form responses, or even leads. Make .com acts like your smart assistant, handling repetitive tasks so you can focus on what matters. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more EE.